Hey guys, this is Dave from SuperComp, and today we're going to show you how to install on this Segway UT10 Crew a poly and a glass rear windshield.
First up, we're going to install the glass rear windshield. The installation process on this rear windshield is super simple. We've got 4 bolts, 4 J brackets, 2 in the top, 2 at the bottom. Once you've got those in, go ahead and tighten it down and you're done. And now for the poly rear windshield. Go ahead and go around the perimeter of the frame, get all the bolts put in, and you are good to go.